Hey friends, Wayne Brown, the Ram Man here. Kind of stoked this afternoon. What we've done is we've just finished prototyping our hub kit for the second generation Dana 60, which includes 2000, 2001, and 2002. That was that transition to where they went in 2003. American Axle Manufacturer picked up the front end for Chrysler. Boy, I always loved doing this. So here we've got our hub that we bolted on. Of course, that's what we took off right there. There she is. And of course, yeah, she's in free mode right now. See there? Then we put her in lock, and there we go. Everything's all hooked up now. Yeah, this one was just a little bit different. The spacing on the stub shaft and the bearing surface just required a little bit different cut down. So the 2000 through 2002 is just slightly different than the 2003 up. So we'll be putting this back together, my friends, tomorrow. And hope you enjoy. I tell you what, hubs are taking off. We got about 50% of the people calling us up and telling us what a wonderful thing that it is. Anyway, y'all folks be good, and that's an introduction on the new factory Dodge truck hubs. Wayne Brown, the Ram Man's always here. Check out the website. Change your vehicle forever.